Unfortunately, we gotta say goodbye to another one. See, look. You know what's that term called when is it damn it, I forgot what it's called. Basically, when things just start looking great when it's time to say goodbye. Like through this camera, it just looks so gold. It looks so nice. Well, kind of gold, still a little silver, but definitely looks good through the camera. But unfortunately, I gotta let it go. But it's not all sad because we came back with another one. Let's go ahead and get it. What's good, Josh? Your man Wayne Training. We back with another joint. Now, I ain't never did nothing like this. We will be unboxing the same phone again. Honestly, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. But anyway, we got the Pixel 7 Pro again, but this time in the Obsidian black version. Now, there's something, I don't know. I don't know what Google's doing, but I don't like that they are capping on their box presentation. All right, check it out. So here I got both the boxes here. They both do not represent the actual color. Fortunately for myself, I do know what the black looks like. I didn't know what the Hazel looked like in person. I seen the black. I know that it's not totally black. I know it's more on the gray, dark gray side. The box here will have you thinking this joint is for real Wesley Snipes black. I'm talking about Don Cheadle black. I'm talking about when my Michael Blackson black. Like, they got you thinking that this is that black, but it ain't. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. So like I said, this one will be going back. I actually also did downgrade. So we got the 128 version here now. I was rocking the 256. Had to come to just talk to myself a little bit and say, you know what? You don't keep devices longer than a year. Why do you need like extra storage? Like, yeah, I will be taking more pictures and video than I probably ever have on this phone, but I got plenty cloud storage. It's really not that necessary. But let's go ahead and get into this. There we go. So even on camera, it looks super black, but clean nonetheless. Now, my favorite part about most of these phones is the frame. Even though I wish this was a matte, I wish this was all matted out. The frame, I need that dark frame. I like the dark frame. I think it looks better in different cases. So what I'm gonna do here is, I'm not gonna take this little front part off because I'm afraid I might scratch it. But so y'all may have seen, I just reviewed this joint. This is the Carvit case. Let me check what this looks like inside the Carvit case. Second. See. Boy, if you don't, ooh. Let me get some different angles. Yes, I like that already. Where my purple joint at? Oh, there go the purple joint. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check out the purple joint real quick. Okay, not bad. Like I said, my thing, if y'all seen my Carvit case video, is cases for the Pixel 7 Pro look nice, but they look at their most nicest when the entire camera bar is exposed. This looks nice, clean case, but if they did this, if they shave these little edges off right here, I'm telling you, it takes the case to another level to me. I don't know why. And that's pretty much all I got. Real short video for the most part from me. This is the Google Pixel 7 Pro in black. More like dark gray, but I can definitely tolerate this. This is really nice. I'm really dope. I'm really happy about this one. So save some money as well. Even on the 128, I got $100 off buying it through somebody third party. Pixel 7 Pro, Obsidian black. More videos coming for it, more cases for it. So let's go ahead and get it. It's your man Wayne Train. Oh yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Do all that stuff. We out.